Welcome to the third video in the Ranorex Studio Actions series, Invoke Actions. To begin, we are going to use an Invoke action to perform a mouse click on a UI element. On screen you can see how this is done with a basic action. But we want to replace this with an Invoke action. Go ahead and add an Invoke action using the Add New Action button. We need to link a repository item to the action. Simply drag and drop button add person. We wish to perform a click, so select perform click. Finally, we need to disable the mouse click. This time, when we run, the add entry button is executed directly without any interaction. Automating list item selection can be challenging because often certain items will not immediately be visible. The on-screen example uses basic actions, but we will use Invoke. We begin by adding two Invoke actions. From the repository, drag the item Open, which represents the drop-down button, to the first Invoke action. Repeat for the second Invoke action with the item Project Management, which represents the Project Management list item. In the action name column of the first Invoke action, select Press, Open, Close brackets. Repeat for the second Invoke action with Select and the Open, Close brackets. Finally, right-click the regular mouse click actions and click Disable to disable them. This time, when we run the recording, the drop list selection is executed directly, without any mouse interaction. In the next video, we will be looking at user code actions.